Hi, my name is Norbert Simonis. I am super rich and really I giving a damn. But why I'm telling you that? First of all, because I was poor. No, more than poor. I was poor, absolutely the lowest level, if you know what I mean. Me and my family lost our home and were forced to leave our home country and left. Today, I am super rich. I drive the most expensive cars in the world and have apartments and mansions all over the world. But I really give a damn. And now I tell you why. I hate that people with more money are thinking that they are better than the other people, or that they are behaving if they were much more intelligent than the others. All that crap is bullshit. And all the super rich know that. But they are too scared that the others, you and all the people out there, will find out what is really going on. And now we are talking about the real thing. Listen, I know that our health and our inner joy are the most important aspects in our lives. Nobody has to tell me that. But what is with our financial situation? I remember the days when my mother cried sadly because she was not able to give me a present at my birthday. And I remember even worse things and situations. But now I can buy everything I want. And that feels much better. Oh yes, much better than not being able to eat to dinner. Now I want to tell you the most important fact about making more money. Everything in life is teachable and trainable. Everything you practice results in progress. And they told you to have more money is the exception. Yes, they did and do. And this is the biggest lie they tell. Again, everything in life is teachable and trainable. And the ability and the skill for you to have more money is simply and effectively just to learn. No miracles, no overnight getting rich promises or other bullshit, because those are lies. This here has nothing to do with it. Here, you will simply learn and practice the secrets of the people who become super rich. If you like the fact of having more money, I invite you kindly, let me teach you the clear step-by-step way of more money.